Are you still trying to figure out ways to edit? Maybe make your videos a little bit more flashy? Well, here are some easy things that you can do to level up your editing game. First thing would be getting a better camera. I happen to have the Z7, one of those Sony cameras. I definitely advise to snag you one of those. Another thing will be the quality of your videos. Quality is one of the main things that captures people's attention when they see a high quality video. Another thing you can do is to have multiple views set up. This is actually my first time doing this in a video. I have my iPad at an angle so that we're not losing focus from the whole overall video. And the last one, the cut in and cut out method, splitting your video in different segments and expanding the view. Like I said, if you're using CapCut, it's just a pinch, like zoom in and zoom out. So that way every split that hits, you're getting a different frame visual. Again, those are my tips. My name is Tony Sayers, and peace.